NSU Benefit Minute, starting a life event in the ICUBA Enrollment portal. To start a life event, visit the ICUBA Enrollment portal online within 30 days of the event. Hover your mouse over My Benefits and click on Life Events to get started. On the Life Event page, click on the link labeled Birth or Adoption. Enter your dependent's date of birth or date of adoption. If you selected birth or adoption for your life event, you'll need to add at least one dependent in order to continue. If your life event is for birth or adoption, you don't need your social within 90 days. If you need to change your address, contact HR for you at nova.edu. Confirm all of your information is correct and click Continue. Now you can save and start your life event enrollment. Congratulations! You've just added a new dependent and started your life event.